It appears we cannot get out.
Yeah, but at least those things didn't follow us in.
Guys? You kinda need to see this.
I'm getting a serious deja vu vibe here.
Not only that, but something about this place seems really familiar.
Yes, it looks like... Raven.
The gem! It's gone.
You must be disappointed.
Where's the gem?
Not here. But much closer to you than you think.
Who is Scath? Tell me who you're working for.
I'd love to introduce you, but unfortunately, you won't be around that long. Now, Titans, you're just delaying the inevitable.
We're not leaving without that gem.
You don't understand. You're not leaving at all. You know, I actually like working for someone else. It lets me be a little more hands-on.